Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete Instagram messages from both sides. If you are using Instagram and you want to delete Instagram messages from both sides, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Instagram app and here just tap the message option here and then select the person or the chat in which you want to see the message. So once you have selected, you just have to look for the message which you want to delete from both sides. For example, I'm going to delete this one. Simply keep a long press on that message, then tap on unsend option, and the message will be successfully deleted from the both sides. If you want to delete all of the messages from here in just single click, so you just have to scroll it up and until you find the option of release to turn on disappearing messages and then release it. So once you have enabled this, here you can see that you turned on disappearing messages. Now, whenever the person will see these messages will be completely removed from the chat. So it might be that the person only can see this message only for one time. Whenever he tries to see this message second time, these will not available. So in this way, you can easily delete all messages at once, or you can also delete any single message from both sides. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.